Girl, she's just tell me how you want to get down. Girl, you know I've been feeding. Been a late night.
Hey guys, it's Leah back again with another video, or summer, because I don't know if I want to change my YouTube name to Summer TV or keep it as Leah TV. I don't know. But today's video is gonna be me putting a wig on. It's a curly wig from AliExpress, and it's a dreamy hair. So I got a 12-inch. That's my little sister. I got a 12-inch really curly wig. Sorry, this mannequin is ugly, but I got a 12-inch really curly wig. And I'm sorry, I'm a ghetto. I got these pants in there because I don't have the real pants. But this wig is really good. It already came plugged, but I'm gonna do more plugging off camera. So this wig, it came really good. It's good parting space. It's really thick. I don't know what type of density I got, but in this, they gave me a wig cap and they gave me some lashes. So I'm gonna do a voiceover for the rest of this video. I just wanted to show you guys what I got up in the thing and where I got my hair from. So make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe, and keep watching. Okay, I know I look bogus, but please do not say anything. I wouldn't come on camera like this if I didn't have to. But so this first step that I'm going to do, I'm just going to be putting some contour makeup all over my wig cap, because this is the only makeup I could find. So I'm going to put it all over my wig cap so it can just blend a little bit more. And yeah, this step is really good because it makes your wig blend more. And later on in the video, I'm going to put that same makeup inside my wig so it can just blend even better. Okay, the next step is you cleaning the perimeter of your forehead or wherever you're gonna put glue at. This is really good because it's gonna help your glue stay down and not lift up from any oils or any dirt that is on your forehead. This step is mandatory too. So I went in with the makeup wipe, and I also went in with some alcohol so I can get all the oils off and all the makeup off. I also was trimming off any of that excess cap that I did not need at the front to make it just be more secure and lay down better. So next I'm gonna go in with my glue. The glue was a good glue, like it sticks really good, but the smell was just bad. It's called Evans New York Wonder Lace Bond, and it's supposed to be latex free, waterproof, so we'll see how that works. Ooh. Another thing that's good to do is make sure you disinfect everything you're going to use. So you see me disinfecting my comb, so make sure there's no oils on my comb because I'm going to be using that to spread my glue. And also I use 3 layers of glue. You're only going to see me put on 2 layers, but I put on 1 before the video. So that's just giving me an extra hold because I do wear my wigs for about a week or 2. So this is going to help make sure they're secure. Also, this glue takes a really long time to dry. Like, I was sitting there blow drying for a long time. I kept cutting the camera off and turning it back on because the glue was just taking so long to dry. And you could see at the end that it was still a little bit white, but thank God it did not show up on my lace, and it didn't blend in at the end, and everything was fine, and it was just wonderful. So, but that's one thing I hated about this glue. It just took a very long time to dry, but other than that, it was pretty good. Okay, now is the fun part where we apply the wig. First, I'm going to cut off that back little lace tab because we definitely don't need that. And then I'm going to apply the wig. And now I'm taking that same makeup from earlier and just putting it inside my lace so it can just blend in more. I said this earlier, but I'm just going to say it again. And also, I'm just going to say that I know you guys see that it is still, the glue is still white, but trust me, it's going to work out all fine. Now I'm putting the wig on, and I'm just placing it where I want it to be, lining it up with lining it up where the glue stops, like towards the front of my head, lining the lace up right there so it can just cover all the glue. And I hope that just made sense, but yeah, I'm just lining it up, and then I'm gonna run my fingers through it, and then you're gonna see me use the comb to just secure it in, and then I'm gonna blow dry it to make sure it's just secure even more. Yeah, so now I'm just taking the comb and I'm just running it through, blow drying, and do not press down because then the glue is gonna get stuck in any glue then the lace is gonna get stuck in any glue that's still wet, and so are the hairs. So do not push down, just use a comb or a rat tail comb and just run through the hair. And now I'm going to blow dry it while I'm running through the hair. Okay, merch that frontal don't look good though. Merch it don't look good already. Like, I didn't even cut the lace there and I'm loving it. Giving me real baddie vibes. But now I'm just going in and making my parts. I'm gonna do a side parts and I'm just gonna leave it plain. I'm just gonna do a plain side part for just now. So I was about to cut my lace, but then I remembered that it'll lay down better if I spray some holding spray right on the edge of where the hair is, and then wrap it up and then blow dry it like that again. So that is what I'm doing now. I went in ahead and cut the lace off camera because it was just easier for me, but the hair looks really poof right now. But don't worry, I'm finna slay it to the gods. Whenever you get a lace, a hot comb will be your best friend for it to be flat. Literally, hot comb moves, some holding spray, like that will be your best friend. A wax stick or whatever you have, literally those are your best friend when it comes to wigs or lace or closures. Now I'm going to go ahead and do my edges. I didn't do a lot of edges for this look because I just felt like I just didn't want to. I just did like 2 edges, sideburns, and 1 edge. So, and it looks pretty good. It looked pretty good. So, yeah. No cap, at this point I was feeling myself. Like, y'all finna just see me in the camera. Like, wait till I wet it. That is when the look is finna come in. Like, that water just really gave it life. Even though I loved it, Poofy, that water really gave it life. Like, I loved it so much. Oh, and also the hair did shed just a little bit when I was running my fingers through it. I don't know if it was just from the hair just shedding, because curly hair does tend to shed, so I don't know. But, or if I didn't know if that was just from me cutting the lace, but yeah. And also, y'all, please excuse my faces throughout this whole video. Ugh. Y'all, I think I did a really good job. Like, please tell me, lace, find it. Yeah, I really did good. I don't know, it was like a gritty and go wig. I think I really good. Like, I got compliments on it and everything. Like, period. Come to me, let me do y'all wigs. Like, period. Okay, y'all, this is the end of the video. Please let me know what y'all think about this wig. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. And thank you so much for watching this video. And I'm sorry if this video was choppy or if the voiceover was bad. This is my first voiceover ever, and this is my first wig video. I will be doing more, and they will be better quality. I just ordered my ring light and stuff. But thank you guys for watching this video, and make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and let me know what other videos y'all want me to do in the comments or whatever. And thank you guys so much, and love you all.